Tired of drowning in legal jargon and overpaying lawyers? Learn to form your LLC on LegalZoom in just 3 minutes with 0 errors. I'll walk you through every single click, from homepage to paying for your LLC. No fluff, just the exact steps to get it done. Go to the LegalZoom homepage. Go ahead and click the big Start My LLC button to begin. Now, type in the name you want for your LLC. Then, click Next to move forward. Select the state where you're forming your LLC. This is usually your home state. Once you've chosen, click Next again. See options to find the right fit. Click on Form My LLC to proceed with the standard setup. Then, hit Next to continue. Pick your industry from the list provided. Now click Next once more to move on to the next step. And again, click Next to proceed. You're making great progress. Choose your processing speed. Then click Next to confirm your choice. Click Continue to Checkout to review your order and payment. Enter your shipping information for any documents that need to be mailed. Click Agree and Pay Now to complete. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.